Page 30, To a Wild Rose. Now for the next few pieces, we're going to be reading pieces in these three key signatures we've had. C, G, and F. To a Wild Rose is in the key of G because it's got one sharp. Be sure and do the G major scale. Do the scale of whatever the piece you're working on. So if the piece is in G major, go do the G major scale. To a Wild Rose, let's talk about it. It's 2/4 time. Got eighth notes. No big deal, I hope. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and at the beginning you're here. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Watch the fingering. In the third major you got to come up. Now it's between a phrase, so you can go ahead and lift the hand and move it. So you're here, just move it. And then the second finger on the D. And again, to go from the last two measures, the B to the E is between a phrase, so just lift and move. Just put in the phrasing, just a little up and down between them, it's nice. And the last line, you're okay, 1 and 2. And then for the last two measures, you can lift up and down. You have to look down at the keyboard briefly for that, that's okay. In the left hand, it's all accompaniment, it's all harmony. You got to keep it soft. It's one chord, it's a 5 chord. Doesn't look like, but it's a 5 chord. And then this chord, and then here. And then second line, second measure, you come here, here. Just watch the fingering carefully, you'll be fine. So let's try this out slowly. It says andante, which is a nice gentle speed. You'll find recordings of To a Wild Rose. Medium soft, overall medium soft. You can get louder and softer. Once you know the piece, then you want to get emotional and feel something, and you can get louder and softer as you feel stuff. What you don't want to do, I hope, is that, well, you're going through this book and you, okay, I got this piece, I can play this, I'm going on. Because if that's all you're doing, you're missing out on most of what music is about. You got to really learn to get into the music and feel it and turn it into something. You know, make it your interpretation. So I'm going to give us 2 counts. It's a 2/4 time, and let's try this slowly. Start out in G position. Here we go. Ready and go and.